Hello dear listeners. Now I am going to present about my business idea, GetFast, which is basically a taxi riding service in my country. First, the customer segments will be passengers who need to get from one to another city. For example, if a person needs to get fastly, like in 2 hours or maybe 3 hours, and find a reliable taxi in like 5 or 10 minutes in order to get to another city, they can use our online application platform, which is basically they can find their reliable taxi driver for them. Second, customer relationships. Customer relationships will include expert and kind drivers who are professional and experienced in their fields, as well as their personality is kind because they have to interact with the customer with kindness and empathy. Next, channels. Channels will be in social media services. We will communicate and we will advertise our business in social media services, as well as get maybe comments or feedbacks from our social media platforms where we have our own accounts. On top of that, besides, we're going to have application platform and email demos where we can interact with our passengers and consumers. After that, we have value propositions where we offer for our passengers safe and reliable rides with professional drivers who are skilled in their field. Second, we are going to assist our passengers, facilitate them in order to get in time to the desired place they need to get in time, while also we are going to have convenient rides with numerous amenities. For example, we will be having stops in maybe in nearby cafes in order to have a relaxation moment. And now the key activities. The key activities will incorporate engrossing online content, for example, like in TikTok videos and Instagram reels, to engage with the customers and engross their interest. Then we're gonna have marketing and developing online platform. We are going to do marketing in with maybe other influencers, and we're going to advertise our platform in other well-known ubiquitous online platforms based on my country. Then we're going to have a developing online platform. We will be programming our platform in order to have easy to use user interface and convenient platform with numerous amenities. The key partners will include marketing agency and experts who will be prospering and gaining more customers for our company. In addition, we are going to be partnering with IT programming services who comprise expert programmers who can build an efficient online platform for our taxi riding company. Next, cost structure. Cost structure will compromise of reallocation of labor and resources, where we will be allocating our money in order to give salaries to our, for example, programmers, content creators, and other staff, as well as providing fund to our resources. Additionally, we are going to have platform licensing fees. We will register our platform in our country. The final model of cost structure for now will be having revenue sharing models where we will distribute our revenues with other shareholders. The last part of our business model canvas is revenue streams. The revenue streams will involve the transaction fees where people are paying digitally to our riders, where we will have transaction fees. Second, we will be working on our monetization system. For instance, other companies will be advertising their product or their company in our startup, where we can earn some money from their advertisement because they will be paying fees to us. Last but not least, we will have premium subscription fees where people can enjoy using their online platform without seeing any advertisements, so they can utilize it without any ads on their platform. Thank you for listening. Please give me feedback for me to improve my company, or feedbacks are appreciated in advance. Thank you again for listening.